She graduated cum laude with a Bachelor of Elementary Education from Bukidnon State University in 2023. She has consistently demonstrated excellence throughout her academic journey, having been a salutatorian in senior high school and earning multiple distinctions in competitions, including being a first place winner in Duox PC 2019. Notably, she also ranked top 5 in the licensure examination for professional teachers in March 2024. A remarkable achievement that highlights her dedication and competence in the field of education. Currently, she is working as an ESL teacher at Talking Kids, where she continues to inspire learners through her passion for teaching. Let us all give a warm welcome to our guest speaker, Miss Odessa Celeste May C. Casas.
Okay, you may take a seat. Thank you. Okay, so to our teachers, no, to our school district supervisor, Ma'am Cecile Ingutan, and to our school principal, Ma'am Lorena M. Sagmao, to our dear guests, parents, and dear graduates, pleasant morning to all of you. And of course, a very big congratulations for you, all students, for this school year. And also congratulations to our proud parents for being here to celebrate this milestone. Again, big, big congratulations. Pakpak daw tang tanan, Rick. Okay, so finally, graduates, you have survived the quizzes, exams, and group projects nga leader lang ang naghimo. Joke lang. Bitaw, nagtinabanga mo ba? So, munang nagsucceed mo together. And those moments when the teacher says, pass your paper, but imong dughan o imong uto kay goodbye na yung teacher, pas na, time na, ulit na ta. So, I'm sure you're gonna miss everything, right? Dagan mo ma-miss ani nga school since 6 years mo diri nag-stay. But remember this, graduates, this is just one chapter in the story of your life. So naapong mo'y kapin 6 years nga mag-study para ma-complete ang basic education. So laban lang ta, ha? Agree? Ingon daw mo o kuanbing ka ng yes, teacher. Agree ba mo?
Yes, teacher.
Lahili lagi ang babae na kunadungan. Agree ba mo?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. So today, I want to talk about something important. It is becoming ready to lead with competence or imong katapos, imong kahanas, and imong character or imong kinaiya. So since mo man atong theme, so we are going to talk about that, not about me. So first, let's talk about competence. Competence, yung kabaw sa Bisaya, pero ingon sa humama is kahanas daw ni siya, meaning it's your skill, it's your talent, it means you know what you are doing. For example, mangutana si teacher, what is 10 times 10? Ay, magpataas rin kamot. What is 10 multiplied by 10? Kasi makataas yung kamot, Vic? 10 times 10, Vic? Kasi itong math academic awarding? Math. Okay, sige, kung kinsay maka-answer plus points kang teacher, what is 10 multiplied by 10? Very good, 100. Ang sa may pinaka-biggest nga planet sa solar system? Sun? Moon? It is? Kasi itong science dire? Apple? Jupiter na ako nadunggan. Jupiter ang answer. So, kini, aralin panlipunan. Kinsa itong president currently? Presidente sa Philippines. Sa mga Marcos. Kasi nga lang. Ferdinand Marcos. Bongbong Marcos. Ingon pa sa mga bata. So, di ba, competent mo na mo'y general knowledge, na mo'y at least nadumdumang sa inyong mga klase sa AP, sa math, kaluyan sa Ginoo. So, when we say competence, it is achieved by practicing, learning, and improving your skill, just like your general knowledge. So let me ask you, kinsay athletes diri? athlete ka ng badminton player, basketball player, volleyball, sa chess. Kabalo kong chess, kasi kong chess na rin. Wala pa sunod. Joke lang. And of course, kasi dancers na rin. Kadlo ikugang, kadlo blog sayo, kasi singer na rin. Singers. Dagan kaayo daw. Okay, so congratulations to those who have found their secret skills and used their talents to share to other people. To be honest, graduates, when I was at your age, I didn't have any skill at all. So, lucky kayo mo kay kabalo naman sa inyong skill, bitaw inyong advantages in life. Yeah. And for those who haven't found their skills, I would say if you want to be good at something like math, sports, drawing, and even dancing, you don't just say, I'm good. Kabalo mo ko, basic na siya. You have to work for it. And if it doesn't work, you have to get up and do it again and again and again. You need to practice, kabalo mo mga students, to become a globally competitive violinist, pianist, player. You have to practice like 10,000 hours. So kung ato siya i-convert into days, it's 417 days with no pause, walay tuluga. But what I mean is that you don't have to be a globally artist like parang Lionel Messi, ilahang tungkin sa bana. I just want you to work on with your talents. Kung unsa inyong strength karon, you have to use it, right? To share to other people, to help your other classmates as well. And I want to tell you this because dili ko ganahan that when you grow up, you have this motto. Kabalo mo sa motto, di ba? Ano, motto. So when you say motto, it's your regret, it's your what ifs, like imong mga deep regrets without your life. So when I was 19, I have a very big motto. Kabalo mo sa motto. Like when I was in high school, elementary, honor ko, but sadly, when I was 19, I failed the Central Mindanao University exam. Yeah. So, di ko ganan anang 2 point at number 2 kay remind ko nga 2 points na lang day unta makapasar na ko. Akong tanan classmates, nakapasar sila, di sila honor, nakapasar sila. So, I was really heartbroken with that. But then, nag-anak ko sa akong parents nga, mga paulot at pasar sa Central Mindanao University. Pero ako mga classmate kay, wow, nakapasar sa ulo kay sa ngatanan, sa Lutugurian, nakapasar. Ano na daw siya? And then, abi na akong mag-wild, akong mama, papa, tisog akong papa. But, they say, ano sa talagang nila? It is okay to fail, but it is important to learn from it. Sige, ito, it is okay to fail, but it is more important to learn from it. So, dili ka pasabot na honor ka karon, pasar ka sa sumusunod. Dapat you have to be focused. You have to be serious on your plans. Di ka magsalig sa mga awards, okay? Di magsalig. Laborit ko, makapasar lagi ko. Don't be overconfident. Kaya makadisappoint na siya sometimes, okay? You have to work and work and work. Yeah. And of course, after 4 years, that failure didn't define me who I am right now. So, nakapasar ko sa board exam and then nakatap. Salamat sa Ginoo. Thank you, teachers. So, students, graduates, I wanted to say that success doesn't happen overnight. It is built through patience, effort, and the courage to keep going, even though you are like failing many, many times. You might succeed maybe 5 years, 10 years, or earlier than that. And you must remember, students and parents, that failure is the mother of all success. To fail is not a shame, though tinod siya, an embarrassment, but we do not have to be succumbed, like di ka ma-trap atong failure. Because it means that you have tried to achieve your dream and goal over comfort and poor life. You learn from the moment that you got the wrong answer, di ba? You learn from the time when you did a failure exam experiment in science. And you learn from other people's mistakes. So of course, you learn when someone broke your heart. So we can be a better version if we reflect on our failures and try to do it again after reflecting. Okay ba? Ingon ba? Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's talk about character. Now, who is your favorite character, let's say, in the movie Moana? Moana na movie? Kisa yung favorite character sa, let's say, how about sa Keep Up Demon Hunter?
Si Rumi.
Kamu boys? Gino? Okay, so yeah, the country mo your favorite character. But here, students, character is who you are when nobody is watching. Muna ato ang tinawag nga kinaiya nato, atong good nga traits or values. So it is doing the right thing even though it is hard. Like when your friends say, mag-cheat ka, magkwantas na, sa kuragi kay wa ito nakita sa ato, mag-skip ta klase, wa ito si teacher. So, character means being kind, being honest, being respectful, and of course, being responsible. It means helping your classmates, listening to your parents, mamatik yung parents in your mama papa, and saying sorry when you make a mistake. So let's have, for example, Rumi. Diba si Rumi is that all throughout her life, she thought that she was a whole, full human, tao siya 100%. But as he grew up, she learned that she is a half demon, half human. So dito niya gusto mapakita ang iyang pagka-half demon. Okay, of course, when her friends will know about it, of course, yung mga friends is palit na sa iya, ang mga tao mahadlok na sa iya. But suddenly, as the story unfolds, she learns that accepting who she truly is, her flaws gives her the strength. So muna din ito, giganta itong golden. After atong gi-embrace yung pagka-demon o pagka-human, giganta yung pinakasikat na golden. And sadly, di na ko siya makanta kay di ko kabulog kanta mang good. Gusto na ko pero na makaya. So sorry. Having a good character isn't being perfect, of course. Wala may perfect. It is about being honest with ourselves, showing kindness to others, and using our talents to do good. So remember, graduates, having a good character, it means being brave enough to be yourself and caring enough to lift others. For example, good character. Tabangan ni mong mama manghugas plato. Tabangan ni mong papa mamugod kahoy. Kanang gagmay lang good nga trabaho, di ba? And helping your teammate kung maglisod siya sa math, sa science, or kung unsa pa. So if we do that, we can all be heroes in our own lives, and we can be the main character in our own story. But here's the truth, graduates. You can be very smart, bright pick up, but wag kay pamatasan, people won't trust you, right? Bright ka pero di ka wag kay batasan, dili ka lang tao si mo. And if you're very gandot, sa cake ka, pero wala kay skill, lisod kay i-succeed, di ba? Kay wala man kay maihatag, mai-contribute sa imong community. So we need both character and competence. So let's think of like this. Character is like the steering wheel. Competence is like the engine of the car, right? So again, competence, vroom, engine. Kanta na jud ko pa. Sorry for the interruption. Kusog kay ang hangin. So no matter how strong your engine is, if your steering wheel is weak, you might end up going to the canal, mapan ka sa pangpang, mahulog ka pa rin, dahil pangpang din sa national lugar yan. Mahayahay. But if your engine is not good, dili mo maadtuan imong gusto padulngan. So we need character and competence. Bright ka o maayo nga pamatasan mo na atong gusto i-achieve in the future. Okay? Yes, teacher?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So graduates, in your next journey and chapter, may you continue to build your skills. Try to do something new like music, arts, and academics. You can play instruments, paint, and develop your communication skills. Don't hide yourself from everybody. Try to shine and be who you are. And next, muna pinaka-importante, don't be afraid to ask questions when you don't know something. Yeah, and of course, you have to learn from your mistakes. If your engine is broken, you have to figure it out, what went wrong, and fix it. Like, ano, waka na honor, siya nga, unsa di ang kulang. Yatag naman akong tanan. So, you have to make an effort kung dili pa siya sapat. In my high school, I have tried participating in many academic, ako sa sports na focus. And kabalo pa mo, students, one of the worst experience is that nag-write ko story. Tayo lang gibasa sa akong teacher, ira din gilabay, kay pangit daw ko no kayo kung agi, pangit daw title, pangit daw intro. But through that experience, ipakigulo ko sa akong maisa, ako nag-stop, wag ko lang daw ko, bala si mama, so ko siya sa ako. Diba? So, I won the award maybe when I was in senior high school and in grade 10, dugay kay siya, pero worth the effort good. And to the parents, di pa ko, wala ko experience handling kids and being a parent. I am hoping that you can support your kids' future. Trust them when nobody is, and love them despite of being stubborn. Okay. In high school ba, mura ba na ang time period nga ga-change ilang hormones. So, ilang attitude po ga-change po. So, please bear with them. So, true success is born in the preparations, and your presence during those tough moments is what keeps them focused. And most importantly, remind them that the result is just a moment in time. Kung unsa ang result karon, mura na siya, dili na siya dapat pudugayon, di ba? And winning is not the only advantage we can get in a game, but the experience in losing is also part of it. Manalo matalo, lalaban pa rin. And graduates, next year is another year to discover who you are. Sa high school, excited na ba mo mag-high school?
Yes, I am.
Excited. Asa mo mag-high school? Dere? Okay naman, the high school, diba? So, I want you to do your best because I don't want you to have any regrets like, hala, nanikamot, di unta ko atong grade 7 ko. Ako din itong gibuhat sa yanga. Uy, undang ko, di mo ba na yun ang experience nga na bitaw mag-regret din mo until mag-college na mo, until matigulang na mo. I just want you to do everything that you can. And of course, and if you can't make it, remember this saying, don't give up. There's no shame in falling down. The true shame is to not stand up again. So kung akong Bisayaon, ayaw surrender. Okay na nang madamag. Ang kapait lang kung dili na ka mo bangon or di nakakabangon mo, gid ang pinakapait. Bitter. And as graduates, you are the main character in your own story. You have the power to change, to reinvent yourself at any moment. If you lose your way, don't panic. Kabalo po mo sa yung ingon sa akong self. Gwenchana. Yeah, that was the line that I said. Sadahan mo kung k-drama good atong high school ko. And never let your hope fade. Your best teens are still ahead of you. So again, graduates, before I end my speech, unsa ganitong ingon kung madamag ta or mawala sa direksyon sa letrang G? Gwenchana. Kama daw, be?
Gwenchana.
Ning, 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 ning. So, mo na mong linya sa mga friends sa una. So again, graduates, congratulations once again and have a wonderful morning. Thank you.
To give the certificate of recognition, may I request Ma'am Cecil and Ma'am Lorena to... Okay, certificate of recognition is awarded to Miss Odessa Celeste May C. Casas in cognizance of her exceptional knowledge, expertise, and ability to engage and inspire the graduates, and for her exceptional contributions and significant impact for serving as keynote speaker. During the 26th graduation ceremony of Mahayahay Integrated School with the theme, Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character, given this 30th day of March 2026 during the 26th graduation ceremony held at Mahayahay Integrated School, Concepcion, Valencia City, Bukidnon. Signed by our school principal, Ma'am Lorena M. Sagmao.